everyone. All right, well, here we are Wednesday morning, and I'm finishing the day up $10,000, which is great. Now, not the easiest day. I started pre-market on TAOP, making about $700. Not great, really. And yesterday I didn't trade at all pre-market, and I don't think I did on Monday either. But I took a few trades today and really didn't have much to show for it. So coming into the open was up 700. The bell rings, and in the first 4 or 5 minutes, I ended up going down about $6,000. Then 9:36, breaking news on WAFU, earnings. I think they were up 72% year over year, so a surprise there, an earnings beat. It squeezes up, gets halted. Opens, dips, rips up to 12. I bought the dip, sold on the drop, was down 9,000 on the day, and then as it curled back up, I got back in, and on that squeeze, it went through 12 up to 13, 14, 15, and I finished the day up $10,000. So ended up being a good day. All's well that ends well, but a little choppy. As always, if you didn't already know day trading is risky, please trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope you guys really enjoy the recap today as we break it down real quick. WAFU, TAOP, and a couple others that I traded today. All right, hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, first day of April, I'm gonna do Thankful Thursday. All of my profits from tomorrow will be donated to charity, first Thursday of the month. So tune in for that. We'll be live streaming the morning show, probably starting around 8:30, 8:45. We'll see what the market looks like tomorrow morning. All right, enjoy the recap, and we'll see you then. All right, everyone, so we're gonna do a recap here, trades from this morning, finishing the day up $10,402.16. A great recovery from being down 9,000 at my lowest. So recovered $20,000, 19,000, and it was all on WAFU. My first trade on WAFU was a red trade. I got in as it was spiking up with 2,000 shares, and then added 10,000 on the dip, looking for a dip and a rip over 12, and stopped as it came back down here for a good size loss. So first trade was on lighter volume, lost on it, and I was already red on DCTH and YVR, and so that loss put me down $9,000. Just for DCTH, just show you that real quick. So on this one, I got long on this 1 minute micro pullback right here, lost 4,400, instant. It was within less than a minute. YVR, I jumped in this one kind of high for the break of 5, stopped out down here. It then rips back up without me, lost $3,000 on that. CLRO, lost on this one. This trade was the break over $4, did not hold. TAOP was a pre-market trade that didn't hold either. That one was really frustrating. It was looking good and then it just faded. And then WAFU was the one that kind of made my day. So WAFU, interestingly, had news that was posted at 9:36. 9:36 a.m. News is posted, announces fiscal results, financial results for the first half of the fiscal year 2021. And immediately it squeezes up into a halt. Revenue increased by 72% year over year. That's not bad. That's a good increase. So, we're seeing good earnings come out of it. The market reacts positively. It halts going up. It resumes, it dips, pops, and then flushes back to 10. Then it bounces, first 5 minute candle to make a new high right here from 11, rips back to 12, continues up to a high of 13.12. Pulls back, dip trade for me long, off the VWAP right here, add into the first 5 minute candle to make a new high, taking profit as it rips here up to 15.38. And that right there was my cleanest trade. It was very nice. I mean, it really was. Well, it's not to say that this trade right here, this long, I did a dip off the VWAP right here as well. And that one was pretty clean too. It broke through the VWAP, it pulled back, held that level, first 1 minute candle to make a new high. That's the long, and it ripped nicely. Pulls back again, little micro pullbacks in here, kind of consolidation, dips back down to the VWAP at 12, back long on that dip, pops up to 13.22, pull back, first 1 minute candle to make a new high, long into that squeeze here up to 15.38. Starts to pull back here, dip trade, sold it back over 15, dip trade, stopped out for a loss. Was up 12,000, up 10,000 now, so I gave back 2,000 off the top. I'm fine with that. I went from down 9,000 on the day to up 10,000 on the day. That for me is a great recovery, unexpected, but just goes to show, you just never know. It can happen at any time that all of a sudden news comes out and you get an opportunity. Of course, initially when the news came out, while there was a spike, I added into it thinking we were going to get a second halt going up at 1221, and we didn't. We didn't get that second halt. We tapped that level and pulled back, and I added way too high. So I kind of screwed that first trade up, being too aggressive. And I think the reason I was that aggressive was because I was red on the day and I was trying to kind of recover. I was trying to get myself out of the red, so I kind of went aggressive on that and then nailed with another loss, and that put me from down 6,000 to down, or 7,000 to down 9,000, whatever it was here. So yeah, kind of a little bit of a choppy, sloppy morning, but I'm green, and that right there is the end of March. We will do March in review probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, first day of April, and first Thursday of the month is going to be a Thankful Thursday. So all of my profits from tomorrow will get donated to charity, which will be awesome. And I'll probably do it. Well, again, we'll see what kind of market we have tomorrow. Today wasn't great, but what I've done in the past, depending on the day, is every $2,500 or $5,000 I make, whatever it is, I'll donate that out kind of as we go. So if I make $20,000 and then lose half of it, I will have already given the $20,000 to charity. So it puts a little pressure on me to stop trading if I'm starting to go red, and just take what I have and let that be my Thankful Thursday. However, if tomorrow for Thankful Thursday is a dead Thursday because the market's closed Friday for Good Friday, so tomorrow is our Friday. So if tomorrow is slow, then I'll donate whatever I make, but I'll probably do a Thankful Thursday again next week to try to get that donation up a little higher. I'd like to be able to donate 50,000. I don't know if that's, if that's going to happen, but I don't really see myself making $50,000 tomorrow, so it probably won't happen tomorrow. But I'll donate whatever I make, and then we'll do another Thankful Thursday, maybe next week or something. So anyways, that's it for me. A quick recap, just breaking it down. Those are the trades from today. I was red, got out of the red, got green. It was a wild day. Not clean until WAFU. WAFU was the best one today. And TAOP was also pretty nice when it first opened up. So it seems like the momentum is kind of right when the news comes out. And I just wasn't sitting down at 8 a.m. when the news came out, so I missed it. But I was sitting here when the news came out on WAFU, so I captured that. So being able to capture that first move up, is probably the name of the game right now. All right, that's it for me. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you tomorrow, April 1st, for Thankful Thursday. As a reminder, in case you didn't know, day trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money. With that in mind, trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line, and I'll see you tomorrow for the morning show.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.